Measure and Mix. Today I'm super excited because Cricut is sponsoring this video. They've sent me the Cricut Maker and the Easy Press 2 and some Cricut supplies. I cannot wait to do so many different projects and personalize my DIYs with this Cricut Maker. It's going to be so much fun. I'm gonna be using my Cricut Maker to cut some of the infusible ink sheets and the deluxe paper today, but the Cricut Maker can cut multiple different materials. It can cut things like leather, denim, burlap, felt, even some thin wood like balsa wood or basswood. It can also cut fine paper like crepe paper. So it is such a versatile machine and you can do so much with it. With the Cricut Maker, there are endless possibilities. You can even change up the tools in the machine, so you can easily go from cutting to drawing to even emboss or engrave. I'm looking forward to using my Cricut Maker to engrave a new dog tag for our new little puppy we will be getting soon. It was super easy to set up. All I did was take it out of the box and plug it into the wall, and then with the cord provided, I plugged that into my computer to connect it, and I was ready to go. You can also connect via Bluetooth to your mobile device or your computer. I made two summer DIYs today with the Cricut Maker that I wanted to share with you guys. The first one are with these coasters that Cricut provided me with. They are compatible with the infusible ink. So they also provided me with some watercolor infusible ink sheets. So the first thing that I did was log on to Cricut's design space, where you can find thousands of different designs, or you can make your own design. I just chose 4 different coaster designs from Cricut's design space that I liked, and I was ready to make. I didn't alter them at all. I did save this, so if you guys want to make these coasters, you can. The link is down below in the description box. Next, all I had to do was hit that Make It button, and I placed my infusible ink onto my Cricut mat. I loaded my Cricut mat into the machine, and then I came back to my computer and selected the right type of material I was going to be cutting. And then once that was selected, I was ready to cut, and I pressed that little green blinking Cricut button to cut out my design. I chose to make each coaster 4 different colors with the 4 different colors that came in the infusible ink pack. Once they were all cut out, I just took up the excess infusible ink, leaving just the design, and then it was time for the Easy Press 2 to do its work. To infuse my ink to my coaster was lay my design on top of my coaster upside down, place the butcher paper that comes with the infusible ink on top of the coaster, and then place the Easy Press 2 on top of the design in the coaster, and set that for 60 seconds and let it do its magic. Once the timer on the Easy Press 2 turned off, all I had to do was lift the Easy Press 2 off, take off that butcher paper, and lift off that sheet, and I was left with the design on my coaster. These turned out so beautiful, and they look printed on, and they are so professional. I can't wait to do more with this infusible ink and the Easy Press 2. The next DIY was just as simple. I decided to make a summer sign, so I had some scrap wood out in my garage. I just cut 3 pieces to an equal size, and then I cut 2 smaller pieces of wood to attach those 3 pieces together with my nail gun. Then I just spray painted everything white to give it an even coat and let that dry. Now it was off to the Cricut Maker to cut out my designs. For this project, I decided to use the deluxe paper in the Belle Citron colors. It was so pretty. All I did next was hop on Cricut's design space again, and I grabbed a banner image and I spelled out the words "Hello Summer." Now I have this design saved, and it's linked down below in the description box in case you guys want to make it yourself. Next, all I had to do was cut out my banner and my letters. I cut out my banner in the floral pattern, and I cut out my letters in the green striped pattern. Once everything was cut out, I just peeled off the excess paper that left me with the banner and the letters, and then I just glued the letters with a glue stick to my banner. I strung the banner with some twine. After that, I brought back my sign and I just hung my banner on my sign with some hot glue, and I now have a cute Hello Summer sign that's really pretty and personalized. Both these summer DIYs were super easy and fast to make with the Cricut Maker. I love how they turned out, and I know I'm gonna be using the Cricut Maker to personalize everything in my home now. If you guys are interested in a Cricut Maker or any other Cricut supplies, there's a link down below in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you like home decor and DIYs, stick around by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
The sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel